So guys, the theory behind this is that there's a trend going on right now where this type of shot goes viral, but they only do it with the younger people. So we're gonna show the Mafia older generation. You know, in that orange room, there's 2 high stools. You know the bar thing? Hello, sir. Step into my office.
Your office?
This is my office.
The others are coming.
Perfect. Basically, we have to look like Mafia bosses. Anyone with a whiskey or something like that, that's old school. We're all going to move forward a little bit because of the space. There's quite a lot of you lovely people. Yeah.
There are so many gangsters.
Yeah, we need gangsters only in this shot. Who's the biggest gangster here?
I think Joe.
John's the biggest gangster?
Joe, do you want a cigar? Look.
Yeah, you will have props. Gangster props. You've got to be drinking if you're a gangster. 2 ladies. Let's go and let's have you sitting here, darling. And where is your husband? Here he is there. You're going to come over here.
How do you know he was mine?
I know he's your husband. Yeah, you're just going to go here. Really close to your lovely wife. Stepping close there. Don't light the cigar yet, sir, right? Okay, I need a tall man.
I'm not tall.
As long as you can touch that floor and this at the same time, and then maybe lean up against this. You can have a cigar like this, right? You glass in this and cigar like this.
Okay, no problem at all.
Right, boss man. You're leading the show. Okay, 1 gentleman. I want you to stand here, put your left hand there. You see, watch my feet, right? And then you drink, all right? Yeah, boss man, look at you. We're gonna do pretty similar like this. You put your hand here, your drink is in your left hand, and you see my right foot, like this. Yeah, it's gonna be on the telly. Do you have a wife here?
Yes, she's over there.
Let's have this lovely wife here, next to you. Darling, you go in here then. Both of you are darlings, but I'm talking to you this time. You're gonna go right in the middle of there. That's it. The groom is gonna go here, the bride is gonna go there. We'll have 1 more lady on the end. Josh, I need 2 more seats. I'm gonna put a seat here for you. Do you know each other?
Yeah, I know he is, but I know. Well.
Do you have a husband here?
I bloody hope not.
So we're going to switch these. You 2 switch places. You're going to lean on your husband with this side. Come to me. Your hand, yeah, both of them like this. Yeah. Yeah, but you have to be serious, right? So the camera is going to be here. And we're gonna come out like this. You have to keep looking down the camera, but nobody's smiling. I'm puffing the cigar like we own this place, yeah? It's very boss. Can you 1 foot touch the floor? That's it, that's it. That's much better, much better. Legend.
It's a bit awkward.
You come here,
That
darling.
is very awkward.
No, it's not, I promise you. Sit down there, sweetheart.
That's my ex-husband.
You sit here then. You take a seat there, sweetheart.
She's trouble, this one.
Yeah. You know him, don't you? So lean up and, yeah. But see this elbow? Put it up like this.
Hold up her husband.
That's you. Don't move. Beautiful. Do not move. Very rich Mafia gangster family. Does everyone know what they have to do? Yeah, you just look down the camera and look very serious. Don't look like you want to kill me. Let me see your face. We're going to practice. That's perfect. Look at you. Class. Okay, let me test your face. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Come to me, darling. And Alex. Yeah, I need you both. Step into the gap, keep your back to me. Alex, you sit up on there. I need 2 drinks, like a whiskey tumbler. Someone with a whiskey. Ah, yes! I like it. In character. Step your body closer to Alex. Really close. Okay, perfect. So you step in a little bit closer to me here. You're the gangster boss here, right? Yeah, that's you! That's you! Class. Sir, you're gonna come on the end here. I'm sorry I'm moving you again. Can you do this?
We'll have to see.
We'll have to see. This is going to be class. Thank you very much, sir. It's apple juice, right? Alex, you turn your body more to me. Let go with the thing. Now lean up on his shoulder, darling. Get your body in close. Close. Come on, step into my office. Gangster, we're a mob family. So you're going to go there, darling? Okay, so ladies, I want to see you pop in the hips. Drop the leg. We're gangsters, right? We sip it, but we're always looking at the camera. You, take advice, look at her, and everyone copy her, right? She's the best here. So I don't want to cue you all to drink and do something at the same time, but as the camera's coming in, mix it up. Someone drinks, someone smokes, but you're always looking at the camera. It doesn't matter if you haven't. You can do like a shifted body weight, put the hand on the hip, go right up close, nail it. I want to make sure it's nailed. Keep looking at the camera, mix it up, guys. Shift the body weight. Slowly, everything is slow.
Yo soy Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria. Plata o plomo.
What focal length is that on?
24.
Well done, relax. That was incredible. Well done, everyone. You were the boss. You're the boss. You're the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're in there, and then we're gonna fist pump. Ready?
I want to know how you know.
I know. It's mine and yours handshake from now on. It's like a trend that's on Instagram right now, but they all do it with the younger boys and the younger girls.
Yeah.
I'm like, let's mix it up. Let's kill the older generation. They're gone.